Blasting into orbit Saturday, Space Shuttle Discovery and a crew of 7 began what's expected to be a 2-day trip to the International Space Station. The astronauts brought with them a giant Japanese lab edition for the station and something a little more practical, a brand new toilet pump that will come as welcome relief for 3 astronauts who for more than a week have had to manually flush their only toilet with extra water several times a day, a highly consuming job. NASA officials say the launch was without a glitch, right on time at just after 5 p.m. The add-on lab will be the biggest room at the space station, costing more than $2 billion. 3 spacewalks are planned during Discovery's 14-day flight, where the 6 Americans and 1 Japanese astronaut will install the lab section and replace an empty nitrogen gas tank. Sophia Manos, The Associated Press.
36 seconds into the flight.